The best hand mixer under $50 is a versatile and affordable kitchen tool that offers excellent performance for its price. It provides a powerful motor that efficiently mixes ingredients, allowing for smooth and consistent results. With multiple speed settings, it allows you to adjust the mixing speed according to your needs, whether you're whisking eggs or kneading dough. This hand mixer typically comes with a range of attachments, such as beaters and dough hooks, which are easy to attach and detach for different tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability during use. Additionally, it usually features a compact and lightweight construction, making it convenient to store and travel with. The best hand mixer under $50 is known for its durability and longevity, with a sturdy build that can withstand regular use. It often includes convenient features like a cord wrap or storage case, helping to keep your kitchen organized. Overall, this hand mixer provides excellent value for the price, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. 5. Braun Electric Hand Mixer. The Braun Electric Hand Mixer is a versatile kitchen appliance with several notable features. It offers a Vario control speed dial, allowing you to adjust the speed according to your needs. It comes with sturdy dough hooks for efficient mixing and has a 2-cup capacity. The mixer is lightweight and portable, making it easy to use and store. It has received positive reviews for its build quality, customer support, design, ease of use, giftable nature, overall performance, portability, size, and value for money. Some reasons to buy this hand mixer include its dishwasher-safe parts for convenient cleaning, an ergonomic handle that ensures a firm and comfortable grip, and smart mix technology that shifts the weight of the mixer from the hand to the bowl for better control. However, some users have mentioned that it may not be powerful enough for certain tasks. On Best Views reviews, the Braun Electric Hand Mixer has an overall score of 8.92 out of 10 based on review sentiments and user opinions related to its features. It has received mostly positive reviews, with around 77% of reviews being positive and around 20% of reviews expressing negative sentiment. 4. Oster Heat Soft Hand Mixer. The Oster Heat Soft Hand Mixer is an innovative kitchen appliance that features a heating element designed to soften refrigerated butter and improve the fluffiness of baked goods. It offers 7 speed settings and comes with various attachments, including beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk. The mixer has a slightly larger size compared to other models but is still easy to maneuver. It includes a storage case for the attachments, allowing for neat and organized storage. During testing, the mixer performed well in whipping cream, producing quick and fluffy results. In the cake batter test, the heating element effectively softened the butter, resulting in a fluffy mixture. The mixer also performed impressively in making cookie dough, combining ingredients evenly. However, cleaning the mixer requires some extra effort due to the need to clean the vent and removable nozzle. 3. KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer is a cordless handheld mixer that offers the convenience of being able to mix ingredients anywhere without the need for a power outlet. It is operated by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that can last for up to 200 cookies on a full charge. The mixer has a stylish design and comes in multiple color options. The design features a push button for easy removal of the beaters, a battery light indicator, and a speed selector switch on the top of the unit. The charging socket is revealed through a slot in the speed selector, and it takes approximately 2 hours to fully charge the mixer. A quick 10-minute charge is enough to mix basic cake batter. The mixer is comfortable to hold and operate, with a flat and rounded handle and a smooth sliding speed selector switch. It incorporates KitchenAid's soft start feature, gradually increasing the speed to prevent splashing. However, the mixer comes with only 1 pair of beaters, which may require cleaning between mixing stages in complex recipes. 2. Cuisinart HM90 BCS Power. The Cuisinart HM90 BSA Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer is highly regarded as an excellent hand mixer with a range of useful features. It offers 9 speed settings, allowing for versatility in different recipes. The motor of the mixer includes automatic feedback sensing, adjusting the power to maintain the desired speed. One standout feature is the smooth start, which gradually increases the speed during the first 3 settings to prevent splattering. The mixer comes with extra long beaters, dough hooks for tough doughs, and a wire whisk. It also includes a curved spatula specifically designed for mixing bowls. All accessories can be easily stored in the provided storage container. One drawback of the mixer is the cumbersome power cord, which can sometimes get in the way. Cleaning and care are simple, as the accessories are dishwasher safe. The Cuisinart HM90 BSA is praised for its performance, build quality, and included accessories. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which is longer than many competitors in this category. 1. Magnolia Bakery 5-Speed Electric. The Magnolia Bakery 5-speed electric hand mixer by Hamilton Beach is a highly rated and well-received hand mixer. It has a BVR rating of 9.4 based on 29 reviews. Users appreciate its build quality, customer support, design, ease of use, giftable nature, noise level, overall performance, portability, size, and value for money. The mixer is praised for its high-quality construction and durability. It is easy to use and offers 5 speed settings for versatile mixing. Users find it to be a reliable and efficient performer. It is also considered portable and comes in a convenient size. In terms of similar products, the Hamilton Beach Classic 6-speed electric hand mixer and Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer with snap-on storage case are mentioned. However, the Magnolia Bakery 5-speed electric hand mixer stands out with its high ratings and positive reviews. After considering various options, the conclusion is that the best hand mixer under $50 is the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer with snap-on storage case. With its affordable price point and positive user reviews, it offers excellent value for money. It provides 6 speed settings, including a peak power option, allowing for versatility in different recipes. The mixer comes with traditional beaters, a whisk, and a convenient snap-on storage case to keep everything organized. It is praised for its performance, ease of use, and durability. Overall, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is a reliable and affordable option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly hand mixer under $50.